What's going on, guys? Today we're going to talk about how to scale your adult day business exponentially using Patrick Bet-David's strategy Quadrant. And if you haven't already, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, show a little love, do all three. We appreciate it. My name is Chris Chan, the founder and CEO of Active Age Daytime Senior Care. And before we get started, before we get into it, let's make sure we get some housekeeping items out of the way. If you'd like to learn more about opening your very own adult day center, go to adcpro.com. If you want to join us for our free live webinars, go to adcpro.com/webinar. If you'd like one-on-one coaching with yours truly, go to adcpro.com/coach. And if you'd like to open your very own Active Age Adult Day franchise, go to activeagecare.com/franchise. Now let's get into this amazing chart here. I know, so simple, right? The strategy Quadrant. So, before we talk about it, there's two sections of this chart that will grow your business exponentially, and there's two other sections that might grow it linear, meaning it might grow your adult day business 5-10% year over year, right? But without two of them, it's gonna be hard to grow your business exponentially. So you gotta get at least the bottom two in place. Number one, operating systems. You gotta have systems, processes, SOPs in place. You gotta have a way to systematize the business so people can do their roles, do their jobs without you having to answer all of the questions. You wanna be able to make sure that every person on your team has created a document that in their absence, or if they were away, someone could do their work because there is a formula, there is a process, there is procedures to everything that it is that they need to do, right? Number two, Biz Dev Relationships Sales. Who is doing those things on your team? No matter what, you always have someone out there spreading the awareness, letting people know what services you have to offer, and making sure that you're maintaining the relationships that you have with referral partners in your community, okay? So once those two things are taken care of, you know you're gonna create at least a baseline level of growth, 5%, 10% year over year. But then the one thing that can totally transform your business is that next innovative campaign. Maybe it's a viral video goes viral and gets you attention in local newspapers, on local TV stations, and gets you the attention that you never would have thought you could have had. And all of a sudden, everyone in your community knows about you, and now everyone's calling for your services. It could be other innovative campaigns or promos that you offer that really make a difference, that you can actually see that, hey, when we did this campaign, there was an exponential increase in the amount of traffic we had, whether it was online, phone calls, people stopping by for tours, whatever the case might be, right? But the one thing that can grow your business the most, and it's the one thing that most business owners don't put enough emphasis on, is leadership development. What are you doing to develop the leaders on your team? Are you actually spending time developing yourself as a leader? And then once you do that, are you using the information that you're learning and sharing with your team and developing them as leaders too? Because the greater you can develop your leaders, the greater you yourself can become a leader, the more exponential growth you're going to be able to have within your company, because you're going to be able to hand projects, assignments, things off to other people, and they can make the decisions. They can, start, really, kind of doing the work within their silo of the organization in a way that they've never had the opportunity before, because you were the bottleneck. So what are you doing to develop your leaders? What are you doing to hire better leaders? What are you doing on a regular basis to improve your own leadership? So leadership development can have an exponential increase on your growth. I know even in ourselves, as we have developed as an organization, I can tell you with 100% certainty that the greater you develop your leaders on your team, the more growth you're gonna have. The easier running a business is gonna become, the more predictable the business is gonna become. You're gonna feel less like a firefighter, and you're gonna feel more in control, like you can predict the next 6, 12, 24 months of your business, because you develop strong leaders. And strong leaders can take a lot off your plate. And when they take a lot off your plate, they can grow the business exponentially. So that being said, guys, leadership development is key. What are you doing to develop your leaders on your team? If you'd like to learn more about starting your very own adult day center, go to adcpro.com. Join us for our free live webinars. You ask us about our one-on-one coaching with yours truly. Be happy to help. And if you'd like to open your very own Active Age Adult Day Club franchise, go to activeagecare.com/franchise. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here. And make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click here. We'll see you guys next time.